Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Bernadette from iCarRide Tours, and today I'm excited to show you how you, as a driver, can start earning extra income by creating a merchant account on Viator. It's a simple process that opens up new opportunities to grow your business. Let's dive in. What is Viator? Viator is a leading platform where travelers can book tours, activities, and experiences. By becoming a Viator merchant, you can list your private tours or services and connect with millions of customers worldwide. Imagine showcasing your unique services to a global audience and attracting travelers who are eager to explore. Why should you, as a driver, join Viator? First, you'll reach a global audience, making it easy for travelers to discover your services. Second, you can earn more income by offering private tours or add-on services. Third, you have complete flexibility. You set your own schedule and pricing. It's a fantastic way to grow your business while staying in control. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of creating your Viator merchant account. Step 1, visit the Viator supplier site. Go to supplierviator.com and click on Sign Up. This will take you to the registration page where you can get started. Step 2, register your account. Fill in your name, email, and create a secure password. Once done, click Sign Up. Don't forget to verify your email to complete this step. Step 3, complete your profile. Enter your business details such as your company name, description, and the type of services you provide. Be clear and engaging to attract potential customers. Remember, this is your chance to stand out. Step 4, set up your tour listings. Click on Create Listing and fill in all the important details about your tour. Include the tour name, description, duration, pricing, and meeting location. Make sure your descriptions are exciting and provide valuable information to travelers. Note, a publishing fee may be required and Viator will deduct a commission from your earnings on each booking. Step 5, upload photos and videos. High-quality visuals make a huge difference. Upload pictures and videos that showcase your car, the destinations you'll visit, and your friendly service. If you don't have your own photos, you can use tools like Canva to design engaging visuals, or download quality photos from platforms like Pexels or Unsplash. Step 6, submit for approval. Once everything is ready, submit your listing for approval. Viator's team usually reviews submissions within a few days. Keep an eye on your email for updates. Now that your merchant account is set up, here are a few tips to help you succeed on Viator. First, keep your response time fast. Answer inquiries as quickly as possible. Second, encourage happy customers to leave positive reviews. Reviews build credibility and attract more bookings. Finally, regularly update your listings with seasonal offers or new tours to keep them fresh and engaging. And there you have it, a quick and easy guide to creating a merchant account on Viator. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other drivers looking to grow their income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.